to January 2019 and this month's online class. So what is an online class? Well, for many of you, you can't get out to people's classes or my classes, or they're not a convenient time for you, but you still want to learn new things and you want to be shown how to make some beautiful cards, learn some techniques, things like that. So for this month, I have put together a class of 6 cards. You can see them all there. And what I'm including in this class is 3 different ways of colouring butterflies. So butterflies are always good. They're great for men, they're great for women, they're great for children, they're great for everybody. And Stampin' Up had this fantastic set that is available now until the end of June. But I've put it all in a kit for you. So what is it? How does it work? Etc. So you order an online class from me. What you'll then receive is confirmation of your payment. Then you will receive an email with a link to a page. It's a secret page that has videos. So there's a video step by step of how to make every single one of these cards and other tips and tricks and things like that. There's also a PDF with the measurements, so you don't have to write them down as you're watching the videos, and a close-up picture as well, so you can print those PDFs off or have a look at them online, whichever you wish. But what do you get? How much is it? Let's kind of go from there. So I've got 2 different prices for this class. So we have, this is the wonderful set that I'm talking about. It's a bundle in the Spring Summer catalogue. Normally £33.25 on its own. You save 10% by buying them together, but we're bundling a few more things in here. So Butterfly Gala set, it's a photopolymer stamp set. You've got all these different butterflies and this coordinating punch, which is fab. I think this is a set that's going to be used time and time again. As I say, I've got 6 examples of what you can do, but honestly, you can do whatever you want to do with this. But that's not enough for this kit. We want more than that. So I'm also going to put in the Beauty Abounds Cling stamp set as well. This is great for backgrounds. I've used a few of these backgrounds on here as well, and the sentiments. But it coordinates very well. So it's another butterfly set. And you're going to have a blender pen as well included in your kit. That's what you pay for. So that all comes to about £62 worth of product. The price of the kit is just £65. That's going to include P&P to you. So £65 for this, but you don't just get this. What you're also going to get from me are all these pieces here. So all these pieces of cardstock you're going to get. You're going to get some ribbon, you're going to get some envelopes, everything that you need to make these 6 cards. And you're going to get a whole pack of 12 sheets of celebration butterfly papers. So lots of different designs in here, and some of them have been used on the cards. You will have lots and lots left over. So this is free with your order, and all these pieces here are free with your order of the standard kit at £65, P&P included. So what's the other kit? Well, I was very aware that this Beauty Abounds set actually comes with a die set as well. So if you have a die cutting machine, there's this beautiful set here that comes in a bundle in the catalogue. So whilst the Beauty Abounds stamp set is £21 on its own, what you'll find is in the catalogue, this Butterfly Beauty Thinlits dies, they're £36 on their own. So if you bought this standard kit from me for £65, but you also wanted these at a later date, they'd cost you an additional £36. But what I've done, I don't actually include these within my designs, but look at them. What a beautiful set of dies. Lots of flowers, lots of butterflies, baby butterflies, and multiples of. If you wanted to do, look, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could cut 10 butterflies in one go, little butterflies, and scatter them amongst your cards. So I'm including that for £92, including P&P. So just £27 more. So as I say, if you wanted to buy those separate, they'd normally be £36, but I'm including them in the premium bundle for £92 posted. So you get the Butterfly Gala stamp set, the Beauty Abounds stamp set, the punch, a blender pen, the Butterfly Beauty Thinlit dies, and your P&P included, and all your cardstock that you need as well, and the pattern paper. But with this premium kit, you're also going to be able to pick one more celebration item for free. So when you order this, you need to let me know what celebration item you would like to include as well, because you'll get that for free as well. And if you're on my customer loyalty scheme, you'll get one line filled in for the standard kit, 2 lines filled in for the premium kit. So yeah, wow, look at that. So let's have a quick look at the cards, shall we? So that's what you could get. As I say, that's the premium bundle with all of that. That's the standard bundle. So entirely up to you. So let's put that to one side. So let's have a quick whiz through, and you'll have a look at all these cards. As I say, all these butterflies are all individually done, and they all fold up and add dimension, but they're all flat at the moment because that's the way they were made. So there we go. Some nice dimension on the back of that. So that's a little trick of how to do this background. It's not an embossing folder. You can do this with the punch, and I'll show you how. And as I say, all of these come up. And again, these are just ideas. You'll have the kit to do with as you wish. If you want to change the cards up a little bit, feel free to do so. But you will have everything in here included in this. So look at that. So all 6 of those cards. So what you'll do, whether you're watching this on YouTube, you'll have a link to where you purchase it underneath. If you're watching on my blog, you'll have the details on there. If you are on YouTube and you like this video, then just give us a thumbs up. And if you don't subscribe, then click the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I upload any videos. But other than that, I'd love for you to take part. Now, it's a launch today, but the closing date for booking this, I'm just trying to remember what it was. I know it's the last Sunday of the month, so closes on Sunday the 27th. So today, as I am filming this, it is Wednesday the 16th, so it's just open for 11 days. So 11 days must be bought before the 27th of January. Then on the 28th of January, I will send out the links to the videos. I will also order the kits. The kits need to be ordered from Stampin' Up, then they come to me. Then I will packet them all up, obviously cut the cardstock, and then I will ship them out to you. So you should receive your kit, your actual physical kit, the first week of February. So closing date 27th of January. Okay, any questions? Then you can either message me, depending on whether you're seeing this, or email me at natalie@natalieoshea.co.uk, or look on my website, www.natalieoshea.co.uk, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. But look at those lovely cards. You could be making all of those in no time at all. Okay, thanks very much. I look forward to sharing this class with you. Bye.